How to fix Airtag not updating location. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you fix Airtag not updating location. So let's get started. At first, you'll have to check your device and settings. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is updated to the latest iOS version. Simply for that, open up settings. From settings, tap on general. Now from here, tap on software update. From here, make sure you have the updated version of iOS. After that, you'll have to also ensure Bluetooth and location service are turned on. Simply you'll have to turn on the Bluetooth and for the location from the settings, scroll down and tap on privacy and security. From here, tap on location services. From here, make sure you have give the access for AirTag. After that, you'll have to also confirm Find My is enabled or not. Simply for that, back from here and from settings, tap on your Apple account at the top. Now from here, simply tap on Find My. From here, confirm that it is turned on or off. After that, you'll have to also check the AirTag battery. Make sure you have the enough battery on your AirTag. At last, you can refresh the Find My app. Sometimes a location update can take few minutes. After you follow all of the procedure and still having problem, you'll have to reset network settings. For that, open up setting. From settings, tap on general. Now from general, you'll have to scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. From here, simply tap on reset. Alright, tap on reset network settings. From here, confirm with your iPhone passcode. After that, simply tap on reset network settings. After you reset all of the network settings on your iPhone, this can fix precedent connectivity issues. And that's it. These are the ways you can try to refresh or fix the problem for AirTag not updating location. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.